In this video, we will cover using the YOVU web phone to make and receive calls on your computer. Start by going to portal.yovu.ca and logging in. After logging into the portal, select YOVU web phone from the top of the screen. The first time you launch the YOVU web phone, it will ask for permission to use your microphone and notifications. Please accept these permissions. Failure to do so will result in the web phone potentially not working. We also highly recommend installing the web phone as an app on your computer. To install the web phone app, select this icon from the web phone. Then select Install. To save you time each day, we recommend you set the web phone to auto start. To do this, select the three dots, then select App Info, choose Settings, then select Start App when you sign in. We can then pin to the taskbar by right-clicking the web phone icon on the taskbar and selecting Pin to Taskbar. After installing the web phone, the view will change. There are two views possible on the web phone: a condensed view and a full-size view. There are several ways to make a call. We can make a call by selecting the red plus from the bottom right, and then selecting New Call and entering a phone number. You can also choose contacts or use the search to find a name and select a name. After selecting a contact, select the call button. To answer a call, press the green answer button on the web phone window. To transfer a call using the YOVU web phone, first select the transfer button. We can then choose to either transfer from the list of internal contacts or dial a new number. If we select contacts, we can select which user we would like to transfer to or use the search to find the user by name or extension. Before we complete the transfer, there are two options: blind transfer or assisted transfer. A blind transfer allows us to transfer the call directly to a recipient with no introduction. Assisted transfer will allow us to speak to the transfer recipient before completing the transfer and sending the call over. To conference, start an active call. Select the Add Call button. Choose to add either an internal contact or dial a new number. You can speak to the conference members before initiating the conference. To switch between the two active calls, we can press the Swap Calls button, or we can click on the numbers above. Pressing Merge Calls initiates the conference. On the left-hand row, you can easily access additional features. We'll start with Settings. Settings. Ensure your audio devices you would like to use for calls are selected. If the device or headset you are using is not present, please refer to our web phone troubleshooting guide. Greetings. To create a new greeting, press the plus button. Name the greeting and press the record button. Follow the prompts to record a greeting for your voicemail. You can have multiple greetings and choose which one you wish to use. Answering rules allows you to change the behavior of your inbound calls. The most common use would be to change your status to Do Not Disturb. Please contact your administrator if you would like to add this option or any other custom settings. Status can be changed by dragging up the rule. Next option is Call Park. To park a call, if your company has call parking enabled, while on an active call, click the Call Park button. Now we can select a configured slot to park the call to. You may also click the Dynamic Park button to have the system automatically select the park slot for you. To retrieve the park call, go to Call Park and then select Retrieve Call. Chat and SMS. If your company has enabled texting to your Office Direct number, text messages can be accessed here. You can also initiate new text messages or reply easily. This tab can also be used for internal chats for other portal and web phone users. Your conversations can also be added to the grid card. Voicemail tab allows you to read, play, call back, save, forward, or delete messages. When forwarding a voicemail message, search for the user and click on the name. Call history can be filtered by all, missed, inbound, or outbound. You can call from the list by clicking on a contact and selecting the call button. You are now ready to use your web phone. Thank you for watching this video.
Reach out to support at my.yovu.ca if you have